Conducting competitor research for lead capture. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for conducting competitor research for lead capture. By providing ChatGPT with specific prompts and questions, it can generate valuable insights about your competitors, including their strengths and weaknesses, marketing strategies, and target audience. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist in identifying potential gaps in the market that your business can capitalize on. Prompts. What are the top competitors in the industry/niche that my business should be aware of, and how do they compare to us in terms of product/service/price/branding? How can my business differentiate itself from our competitors in terms of product/service/price/branding, and what specific features or benefits should we highlight to attract leads? Can you provide a breakdown of my competitors' marketing/advertising strategies, including platforms/tactics they are using to capture leads, and how effective are they compared to our own? What are the demographic/psychographic/behavioral characteristics of my competitors' target audience, including age/gender/location/interests/values, and how do they differ from our own target audience? Are there any untapped markets or niches/sub-niches that my business can pursue that our competitors haven't explored yet, and what specific lead capture strategies should we use to reach these markets? Example: can you provide a breakdown of our competitors' marketing strategies in the education market, including the platforms and tactics they are using to capture leads, and how effective they are compared to Cintra's own marketing efforts? I'm sorry, but as an AL language model, I don't have access to specific information about Cintra or its competitors in the AL education market. However, I can provide you with a general overview of the marketing strategies and tactics that are commonly used in the industry. Marketing strategies in the AL education market typically revolve around building brand awareness, establishing thought leadership, and creating a compelling value proposition that resonates with potential customers. Here are some of the platforms and tactics that are often used to achieve these goals. 1. Content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful tool for building thought leadership and attracting potential customers. This can include blog posts, white papers, case studies, ebooks, and other types of content that provide value to the target audience. 2. Social media marketing. Social media is a great way to reach a large audience and build brand awareness. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook are commonly used for this purpose. 3. Search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This can help drive organic traffic to your website and increase brand visibility. 4. Pay-per-click PPC advertising. PPC advertising involves placing ads on search engine results pages or social media platforms. This can be an effective way to capture leads and drive traffic to your website. 5. Email marketing. Email marketing is a popular tactic for nurturing leads and keeping existing customers engaged. This can include newsletters, promotional offers, and other types of content. 6. Events and webinars. Hosting events and webinars can be an effective way to build thought leadership and connect with potential customers. 7. Referral marketing. Referral marketing involves encouraging existing customers to refer new customers to your business. This can be an effective way to generate leads and build brand loyalty. To evaluate the effectiveness of these marketing strategies and tactics, it's important to track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs, CAC. By comparing these metrics with those of your competitors, you can gain insight into how well your marketing efforts are performing and identify areas for improvement. Tips: provide as much specific information as possible when asking ChatGPT for insights. For example, instead of asking for a general breakdown of competitors' target audience demographics, ask for information on a specific competitor and their target audience. Use multiple prompts to gather a variety of information about your competitors, including their strengths and weaknesses, marketing strategies, and target audience. This will provide a more comprehensive understanding of the competitive landscape. After receiving information from ChatGPT, review and analyze it carefully to ensure its accuracy and relevance to your business. Use this information to develop a targeted and effective lead capture strategy. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe now so you don't miss future videos. If you want to continue honing your skills in generating powerful prompts, check out the other videos on our channel.